true prosperity is ours. Let's take this thought into a time of meditation together. As you allow your eyes to close, tension to leave, as you focus inward, I ask you, what is true prosperity? It's not outward in the world, even though the world will tell you it is the getting and the getting and the getting that makes us happy. True prosperity is inward, in us. And true prosperity is in the person beside you. We are prosperous in love. We are prosperous in joy. We are prosperous in peace. That's our true prosperity. The inner life. The love between us. We are prosperous. That is something that the external world does not understand. It cannot give. We rise above all material concerns as we claim our true prosperity, as we claim the love inside each of us. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, we affirm our riches, our true prosperity is love. And so it is.